Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to use Kroger digital coupons. First, you should go and open any browser that you have. Then now, once you open any browser, you should search for www.kroger.com. It will navigate you to this page. Now you will have to sign in into your account, or simply if you do not have an account, you can click on create account and create your own account. And after signing in, here on the top, you will find many options. One of them is digital coupons. When you click on it, it will show you here all the coupons. Now you can simply click on the filters on the left side. You can filter them by the date, the coupons that are added in the last 8 days. You can filter them by ways to shop if you want them to be in store coupons, pickup coupons, delivery coupons, or you can sort them by the special savings, the departments, and so on. And now, if you want to use any one of these coupons, you should simply click on any one of these coupons. Let's say this one here, for example. I'll simply click on it. And as I said, you should be signed in. So here, because I'm not signed in yet, that's why I cannot actually use the coupon. Now, if you want to get all the coupons that you have actually in your inventory, you should click on my coupons right here. And here you can simply print your coupons by clicking on print my coupons. Now you can purchase the qualifying items in a store or online. If you go to a store, scan your card or enter your alt ID at the checkout, and the discount will then be automatically applied to your purchase for all the qualifying items appearing as this item underneath. And there you have it. That's how you can actually redeem digital coupons on Kruger. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.